I turned mustard seeds into oil.
If you have seen my previous videos, I've done sunflower seed oil and hemp seed oil, and today we're going to do yellow mustard seeds. I just stumbled across some videos on YouTube and I decided to have a go, and people have really liked it, so I'm going to try with yellow mustard seed. I use the wet extraction method to do the sunflower seed oil and the hemp seed oil, but this time around I'll add a little bit of heat.
Let's move to the fun part.
Add 1 tablespoon of water, room temperature water. And then we just have to knead the paste till you can see a little bit of greasiness and oiliness on your hands and on the seeds. I'll say you should knead for about 5 minutes before introducing more water. This is how it looks. You start feeling like a wet sensation, a wet feeling from the grinded seeds, and you just do it for 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. This requires a lot of patience, so be patient, but it's so worth it. At the end, it's so worth it, and you can use for skin, body, face, hair growth. Before I got the coffee grinder, I was using the fruit processor, and it was much harder to get this fine powder. But now that I invested in a coffee grinder, it's easier to get the seeds into a fine powder, and I feel like I don't have to add as much water as before. But you don't need to get the coffee grinder straight away. You can use a food processor or a blender, and you can use dry and wet ingredients. And the coffee grinder comes with 2 cups, and one of the cups has 2 blades, and the other cup has 4, which this one is the 4-blade one, and that's the one I use the most, the 4-blade one. And the yellow mustard seed has a very nutty smell, very earthy smell. This is like playing with Play-Doh. If you like Play-Doh, this is very similar. It's a very fun activity to do with the kids. So the paste now is ready. Oil is already coming out. It looks very greasy, my hand. I don't know if you can see, but my hand is very oily. Previously, I tried black seed oil, but with the black seed oil, I could feel my hands were getting greasy, but it wasn't coming out. So I think with some seeds, I need to add a little bit of heat to allow the oil to be released. We're going to transfer the paste into a cheesecloth and attempt to extract the oil.
First, I attempted to extract the oil at once from the entire amount, but then I decided to separate into smaller sections. The same way you don't need the coffee grinder, you also don't need the lemon squeezer. You can just use your hands. By the way, I didn't do this completely alone. My husband helped me squeeze the seeds because I quickly realized that these tiny seeds are harder to squeeze than our fruit.
Now we're going to remove this part. And then we add a little bit more of the other one. Turn, 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 turn.
This video is just an example on how you can make hair products and skincare products without spending a lot of money. It's very easy to make, and most of the tools you already have at home. As I said before, you don't need a coffee grinder or squeeze juicer to make sunflower seed oil, hemp seed oil, or even the yellow mustard seed oil. I hope you enjoyed this video. A lot of these oils have been made for centuries, so of course there is always a simpler and easier way to make these products at home, these oils at home. So you don't need an extraction machine to make these seeds at home. Yes, will be more challenging and takes more time, but it's so worth it. Let me know in the comments which seed I should try to extract oil from next. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.